cuts paper smooth as silk. How sharp do you think that blade is?
Red-hot steel hammer flying, shaped as fast as if it were cast. Bending 5-inch steel like folding cardboard. Oh, so satisfying. Each strand spun smooth like a pro. Can you guess how many RPM this hits? One crush and the can folds like paper. That crack sound is oddly satisfying. Bold designs printed sharp as tattoos. How long do you think each one takes? Handheld screw tool works like a robot. Auto-threaded, zero slip. Tape rolls up tight to 0.04 inches. Can you guess its speed? Plants lined up perfectly, say. Is this peak farming tech or what? Locked in place, blade spinning fast, way slices cleaner than a loaf of bread. "3D carving on wood, smooth as wax. Machine-made or handcrafted? You tell me." Shaped to 0.04 inches, even a 0.04 inch error gets rejected. Zipper heads slide on as smooth as a brand new hoodie. It'd take 5 people to match this machine's speed. Sharp folds, zero fuss. Flawless spray, every corner. This robot's basically the Picasso of paint. Watching it smooth wood like glass, if that's not satisfying, nothing is. Sound me concrete like flan, just watching it feels cool. Robot screeds itself. In Japan, it did the 5th floor in 1 hour. "30 holes a minute, all spot on." Bending, forging, punching. Metal transforms like magic. "3D printing full concrete walls." How long do you think that takes? Does a brand new hoodie, peels bark like orange skin. This thing slices ice fast and smooth. Peels a coconut in 3 seconds. The coconut looks shocked too. Turns potatoes into fries in 3 seconds. Can you guess how thick each slice is? Non-stick coating sprayed on like paint. Can you guess the heat used? What used to take hours by hand now gets packed in under 10 minutes. Forms a speed bump in 15 seconds. Heavy snowfall? Just 2 minutes, and it's like winter never happened.